Whole town losing its mind over flakes in the air. Cars crawling like they're blind, salt trucks everywhere. I came out in a t-shirt, won't be that cold. I joke, now my tongue's on this pipe and the punchline's choked. Everybody's freaking out about the snow. I'm stuck here singing in the cold. If I could talk, I'd say we'll be fine, but my tongue's stuck fast to this icy line. Yeah, everyone's panicking down below, and I'm glued to the metal like a bad game show. Neighbor filming from the porch. Kids point, laugh, then help. Someone says just pour some warmth. I just grunt out a yell. Flashing lights and winter hats. Crowd grows like a parade. I'm the idiot attraction. Front row frozen charade. Everybody's freaking out about the snow. Stuck here singing in the cold. If I could talk, I'd say we'll be fine, but my tongue's stuck fast to this icy line. Yeah, everyone's panicking down below, and I'm glued to the metal like a bad game show. In my head I'm calm, I'm sitting outside, I'm a statue. Again, they run in circles, stamp and swear. I can't even say it's just some L. If I ever get loose tonight, I'm buying scarves for everyone inside. Everybody's freaking out about the snow. I'm stuck here humming back up to the cold. If I could talk,